Continuing to box today's sales. Very busy weekend and busy Monday. Some figured olive ash, bird's eye maple, nice white piece of flats on walnut. One of my favorite good looking veneers. The figure on this is a Xana gray. Very narrow strip but extremely figured. Eucalyptus bees wing figure. This is actually what it looks like before it's been fumed. Typically you see it in black. Here's a piece of fumed sapele, piece of Zebrano, and a Timaway. Another nice veneer. You can find all these veneers and more in my Etsy shop, Volpe Woodworks, on eBay as ThinWoodandOldTools, on my website, VolpeWoodworks.com, and on Amazon at Volpe Woodworks. If you want to discuss picking out a veneer for your next woodworking project, please reach out to me via email at tom@VolpeWoodworks.com.